one thing to remember is that no matter what your line of work, good writing is essential. There's an article I read recently about a would-be bank robber who entered a bank and handed the teller a note. Well, the teller couldn't read it. It was so garbled, so mixed up in its grammar and syntax, and that she had to call over the bank manager. And while she and the bank manager were puzzling over what the note said, the bank robber got cold feet and ran away, you see? So not a very successful business endeavor, is it? So no matter what your line of work, good writing is essential. Now, this is illustrated, oddly enough, even though this happened just recently. This is illustrated by a clip from a very old Woody Allen movie, a movie called Take the Money and Run. So we'll take a look at the clip here to just illustrate the point, okay?
And if you'll just take this to window number 9. What does this say?
Can't you read that?
I can't read this. What's this? Act natural?
No, it says, please put $50,000 into this bag and act natural.
Well, it does say act natural.
I am pointing a gun at you.
That looks like gub. That doesn't look like gun.
No, it's gun.
No, that's gub. That's a B.
No, see, that's an N. It's G-U-N. It's gun.
George, would you step over here a moment, please? What does this say?
Please put $50,000 into this bag and act natural. What's act?
Act.
Does this look like gub or gun?
Gun.
See?
But what's apt mean?
It's act. A-C-T. Act natural. Please put $50,000 into this bag. Act natural. It's not...
Oh, I see. This is a holdup.
Yes.
May I see your gun? Well, you'll have to have this note initialed by one of our vice presidents before I can give you any money.
See, I'm in a rush.
What?
I'm in a rush.
I'm sorry, but that's our policy. The gentleman in the gray suit.
That's G-U-N. I'm
Gun?
pointing... Yes,
Oh, that's a B. That's
I'm pointing
gub.
a gun at you.
Gun.
That's G-U-N.
Oh, that's
gun.
a B. That's gub.
No, excuse me. That's an N.
Miss Frank.
I am pointing a gun at you. Apt natural.
No, that's
What
act.
is apt?
Yeah, that's act.
Oh, it couldn't be. That's
Yes.
a plain B.
No, I'm afraid not. That's act natural, and I'm
it
pointing a
just
gun
couldn't
at you.
be. Mr. Miller.
I am pointing a gub.
No, that's gun. That's G-U-N. And that's gun. I am pointing a gun at you.
no,
G-U-D.
No, it looks like a B, but it's an
this
N.
one isn't right either. It says
It
A-B-T.
is.
No, that's not.
Yes, of course it is.
I say it's
a
gub.
gub.
No, it isn't. That's the
Two
point.
of us now that say it's
It
gub.
isn't gun.
It has to be.
Yes, we discussed
Sorry,
this
but I-
inside just a short while
We
ago.
know there in the window,
Well, I
and it's
think he's wrong,
gun.
too.
If I could
No,
read, I would
Maybe there's still somebody out there who thinks, I don't need to learn grammar. I want to be an enforcer for the mafia. But remember, even with the mafia, you're going to want to make offers they can't refuse, not offers they don't understand.